We have PSN 38 PSN conference coming up on 14th, 15th and 16th of November. If you all have registered, that's really good. We are also conducting many workshops. We at RMIR are conducting 2 workshops here. One on neuro-oncology and its advances, another one on ETV and endoscopic management of ventricular pathologies. We have many senior surgeons coming for these workshops and PSN as well. If we talk about it, Dr. Huma Sethi is coming from UK. She's a very known neurosurgeon and runs a very vibrant program in Queen's Square, London. Dr. Anil Darbar is coming from King's College, Dubai. She is very adamant on facilitating a neurosurgery resident from Pakistan. Similarly, Dr. Naqibullah Chakzai needs no introduction. He's been running many administrative jobs in CPSP and PMDC and is a very known neurosurgeon as well in Pakistan and outside. And Dr. Atharanam, who is a very known neurosurgeon in Pakistan and outside, he basically found the residency program at AKU. Dr. Saad Akhtar Khan is coming, who has been recently appointed as international advisor to the Royal College of Surgeon and Physician. Dr. Altaf Ali Lagari will be coming. He's residency director at AKUH, and many other senior consultants you can meet and get some experience from them. But if somebody is missing, I would really urge to register and not miss this opportunity.